Hi, it's Josh from Kickofflabs. I'm here today to talk about a little tip and trick if you're creating multiple campaigns. Obviously, it takes some time to set up a landing page. There's all sorts of settings, the actions that you can set, the rewards. And if you want to rerun that kind of campaign without losing all the leads and everything that you ran the campaign before, we've got a couple of options for you. First of all, if you have designs that you like, you can use the drop down on landing pages here and you can say copy page. And one of the things you can do when you copy a page is not just copy it into the same campaign, but you could copy the page into a different campaign on your Kickoff Labs account. What that allows you to do is to create a shell of a campaign and copy popular pages or pages that converted well for you into other locations. Or you could just create a copy within this campaign and then use it to create an A/B test or a variation. Now, let's go one step above pages here. What if you want to copy all of the different settings, the scoring, the emails, the milestone rewards, the nudge bar, the campaign box, the any form, all the different things you can do with Kickoff Labs? What if you just want to copy that in one fell swoop? You can go to Setup, All Settings, and on the right side, there are some campaign-wide actions here. You can rename the campaign, you can delete the campaign, but you can also create a copy of the campaign. This will copy everything in campaigns, settings, pages, emails, contest box, and the integrations you've set up. The only thing we can't copy over are any of the leads, A/B test results, and specific Zapier integrations. But for the purposes of an agency rerunning campaigns for multiple clients, or for you just want to run a new campaign based on the old one, you copy this and you will be set up inside of a new campaign. You can see it's called Copy Reward Demo. And you could go right ahead and use that setting that we showed before to rename the campaign to, let's say, my new demo. And there you go. That's copying landing pages and copying entire campaigns. Great for agencies, great for individuals that just want to reuse common campaign templates that they've customized.